We will be starting our event with a small prayer. We have Saksham and Vandana ma'am with us, who will do a small prayer.
Saksham के गले में कुछ लग गया है. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Saksham, let's do the prayer. Okay. Prayer करेंगे कि prayer करेंगे हाथ जोड़ो.
वक्रतुंडमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि
समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा.
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् भाग् भवेत्. लोका समस्ते सुखिना भवन्तु. So we start the event with a prayer that everyone should be disease free, everyone should be happy, everyone should feel good, and let's hope everything gets better soon. So with prayer we will start the event.
Yes. Okay. Now I would like to say a few words dedicated to all our children over here. This is for all of you. A few words. Then we'll start our event. Okay. So I like you as you are, exactly and precisely. I think you turned out nicely. And I like you as you are, without a doubt or a question, or even a suggestion, because I like you as you are. I like your disposition, your facial composition, and with your kind permission, I'll shout it out to a star. I like you as you are. I wouldn't want to change you or even rearrange you, not by far, because I like you as you are. So, this was for all our children. We'll be starting our event. Over to Vandana.
Beautiful. Devika ma'am, बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you.
So first
nice.
First in the series is Saksham and me. So we will be doing a dance. हमें dance आता नहीं है, but we'll try. So we'll do a small dance for all of the kids and all of the lovely parents. अच्छा Saksham.
थोड़ा सा और पीछे जाएंगे वंदना मैम, थोड़ा सा और. Yes, yes. Now we can.
What a dance song.
जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, आए दिल आके सुनाएंगे. हम तो सात रंग है ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे. जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, आए दिल आके सुनाएंगे. हम तो सात रंग है ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे. सरगम हमसे बने, नगमे हमसे जवान, घूमे आसमान. हम ही तो दुनिया के साथ अजूबे हैं, हमसे है जहां. सरगम हमसे बने, जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गाके सुनाएंगे, हमको साथ रंग है ये जहां रंगीन बनाएंगे। खुशियाँ बांटेंगे हम, हर गम मिलके सहे, फिर क्यों आंसू बहे, हर पल के सहारा एक दूजे का यूं ही चलते रहे। खुशियाँ बांटेंगे हम, हर गम मिलके सहे, फिर क्यों आंसू बहे, पल के सहारा एक दूजे का यूं ही चलते रहे।
Okay, 1 minute is finished. Very good, Saksham. Good job.
Good job. Very good, Saksham. Good job.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good jobs, वंदना मैम also.
यस वंदना मैम ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया।
सब पार्टनर
बहुत बढ़िया।
डांस, हाँ
यस
दोनों पार्टनर्स ने
बहुत
बहुत
बढ़िया।
अच्छा किया।
गुड जॉब सक्षम।
Thank you everyone.
देविका मैम प्लीज अनाउंस द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस।
Next, we have Ashutosh Tiwari.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashutosh's sister Aditi and we'll be singing today. Anshu hi bolo. Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
So should we start?
Yes, yes. Ruchi ma'am, they are starting.
Anshu. शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद, शायद मेरे ख्याल में तुम एक दिन मिलो मुझे कहीं पे गुम शायद, जो तुम न हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम न हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम न हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, जो तुम न हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, exactly 1 minute. Very nice.
Very good. Good job.
Beautiful song. आशुतोष इतना अच्छा गाया आपने,
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा।
बहुत बहुत अच्छा गाया।
So next we have Shubh.
Shubh will not be joining right now, ma'am. He's not
Okay.
well.
Okay. Pranay Kumar.
Pranay is here.
Pranay, are you ready?
Yes, seems to be ready.
प्रणय तुम तो बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो।
Pranay, Pranay,
यहाँ भी होगा मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा। अरे यहाँ भी होगा वहाँ भी होगा, अब तो सारे जहां में होगा क्या। मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा। आवाज to the rhythm and the beat so hard, मेरा जलवा जलवा है आवाज, to the rock and the roll tonight। आवाज to the rhythm and the beat so hard, मेरा जलवा जलवा है आवाज, to the rock and the roll tonight। जलवा, just जलवा।
जलवा ही जलवा है प्रणय और प्रणय।
Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good.
क्या बात है।
क्या बात है,
मजा आ गया। Very good. Good job.
गुड जॉब प्रणय एंड प्रणय मम्मा, बहुत अच्छे।
So next आदित्य गंजू।
गुड, बढ़िया।
ये जलवा ही जलवा है, बोला जलवा ही जलवा। आदित्य गंजू, आर यू रेडी?
जी मैम।
यस मैम।
ओके, क्या बात है भाई, आज तो सभी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
चलो आगे स्टार्ट। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से।
कट जाए नजर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से।
ला 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 ला।
ला 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 ला।
हम है राही प्यार के, चलना अपना काम।
हम है राही प्यार, चलना अपना काम।
पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल आसान।
पल भर में हो जाए हर मुश्किल आसान।
हौसला ना हारेंगे, हम तो बाजी मारेंगे।
हौसला ना हारे, हम तो बाजी।
यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से।
मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने।
थैंक यू।
वेरी नाइस।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
Very good. Very good. Good.
वेरी गुड आदित्य, बहुत अच्छा गाया।
Good job.
Good job.
नेक्स्ट इज अधिरथ।
Adhiraj.
अधिरथ प्रवीण। अधिरथ कैसे? अधिराज।
Adhiraj.
रूप सजा मेहंदी हाथों में लगवाऊं, पायल कंगन भी लगवाऊं, फिर धूल भरण में जाऊं, पायल कंगन रूप रंग सजाऊं, मेहंदी हाथों में लगवाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं, घूंघट काना साका ढूंढा कसर घालूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैरों में चलूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टक चलूंगी। गाँव में होवे गाज खुड़का जुत्ती मड़कर आई पहर भिड़ेगी बहुआ में तकरार, जब मैं हवा की दरिया लहरूं, सोने की गुठी गले में हार डालूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टक चलूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैरों में टक चलूंगी। छोटी कन्ना के मैं लाड़े मोटा पैर से कोका, इक्का लाल रंग का लाड़ा देना तागड़ी ते मुका, छोटी न्यू बोले ढूंढे के हालूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी, बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी।
Very good, very good.
Very good.
और
बहुत अच्छे अधिराज मम्मा,
यस,
बहुत अच्छे।
बहुत अच्छे अधिराज मम्मा। लास्ट
फुल एनर्जी।
yes. So next is Rachin. Are you ready, Rachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Rachin.
Ready. Yes, ma'am. Ready. Just a second. I'll bring Rachin. Just a second.
Okay.
Rachin, here. Come. Come. Rachin, please come. Come.
Music.
Throw. Okay, come here. Ma'am, just let us know when to stop.
Yes, it's time.
Thank you.
Well done. Very nice.
So our aim was to catch the ball non-stop.
Yes, we can see it. Superman ने बहुत अच्छा करा.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good job, Superman.
Good job, Rachin. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, over to you, Devika ma'am. You can announce the next participant.
Okay, next we have Rohan Valecha. Rohan is here. I could see. Yes. Rohan, are you ready?
Yes, we can see the smiling face.
Yes.
Just a second. Just a second. Bhavya, Ron, let's get up, baby.
All the best.
Thank you. गुनगुनाते हैं ये
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. शखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे। वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू। आई 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 सूबी डूबी पंपारा, सूबी डूबी पारांबा। Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby pampara. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
वो नहीं रुकने वाला देविका मैम।
मुझे लग रहा है स्लाइडिंग। यस
Amazing.
Very nice.
Good job.
Both of you. Amazing.
दोनों की
और
coordination
गेटअप बहुत ही अच्छा था।
Next we have Purab Sirohi. Purab, are you ready? Purab is on mute. All the best. Okay. Amazing job.
Thank you.
Good.
Very
Very
good. Very
nice.
done. Very done.
Coordination.
Very nice.
क्या बात है?
यस गुड जॉब पूरब, बहुत अच्छा किया।
Good job. Well done. Well done.
Good job.
Okay, next is Jay Gupta. Jay, are you ready? Yes, Jay is ready. All the best.
The bees go buzzing one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The bees go buzzing one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The bees go buzzing one by one, the little one stops to have some fun. And they all go flying high in the sky to go back to their hive. Buzz, buzz, buzz. The bees go buzzing two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The bees go buzzing two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The bees go buzzing two by two. The little one stops to sing a tune. And they all go flying high in the sky to go back to their hive. Buzz, buzz, buzz. The bees go buzzing three by three, hurrah, hurrah.
थैंक यू।
Very nice, Jay.
Very
ना
nice.
अच्छा मम्मा के साथ किया, बहुत अच्छा।
Very good, Jay. Very good.
Okay.
हनी बी का कॉस्ट्यूम कहाँ गया? बहुत अच्छा था, वेरी गुड।
के ऊपर खच्चे उड़ा दिए हनी बी ने।
Okay, next, Sarvika, are you ready? Okay. Let's start.
Good morning, everyone. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Sarvika and Mama करेंगे Old MacDonald.
Wow. All the best.
Sarvika, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Start. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Oh.
E-I-O. And on the farm he had a dog. E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere. Woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a ba. With a ba. With a baba here and a baba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere.
Baba.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Very good. Finish.
Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very
Very
nice.
Very good.
Very
Very good, Sarvika. Very good.
Nice था. बहुत अच्छा guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Okay. Next, we have Joanne. Are you ready? You can unmute yourself.
I'm sorry. Hello.
Yes, we can.
Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah. So basically, we are four of us.
Wow.
We are the Rodriguez family. We have got 2 kids on the spectrum.
Okay.
Bryden and Joanne.
Okay.
So we are going to just perform a dance together as a family.
Wow.
So we'll just start.
Okay.
क्या बात है?
Ready?
Just a moment. Let's just put on the music.
Sure.
Come here.
Hearts burning like they were on fire. Flames changing our love to desire. Babe, my heart is screaming to say, girl, we got to go all the way. I need more of you, changing my rain into sun. More of you, putting my blues on the run. I need more of you, darling, I need more of you. More, anything less would do. We ain't been together too long. Strange, how did our love get so strong? There's nothing to keep us apart. We got to catch up to our heart. I need more of you, changing my rain into sun.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So good to see the family together. It's overwhelming.
No, in fact, what we are looking at, like, if you can see our T-shirts, no, it's all of us in the able, not able. So we are trying to promote that,
Yes.
Well, thank you very much. Yeah, one wonderful event organized by you all. Thank you.
Thank you to you and the family.
We will upload the recordings on our Facebook page, so please follow there. We'll post the link on this group.
Yes. Okay, next we have Akshat Arav Prasad. Akshat, are you here?
Give me a moment, 1 minute. He had this cold. Just a minute.
कोई बात नहीं. Next बच्चा कर लेगा तब तक. आप
Yes.
wait कर लो.
We have Pranav. Ritu ma'am. Pranav is ready.
देविका प्रणव का टर्न है.
Yes, yes.
ओके प्रणव हमारा टर्न आ गया.
Pranav, all the best. You can unmute yourself. रितु मैम अनम्यूट करना होगा.
All the best, Pranav.
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
डांस इतना ज्यादा देखो सब देख रहे हैं. सबको नमस्ते करो. नमस्ते करो.
Very good.
Very good, brother. Very
Beautiful
good.
song. बहुत ही beautiful.
Very nice.
Good job.
Okay. Is Akshat ready now?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you see? Can you see us?
Yes.
It's visible?
Yes, ma'am. All the best.
Thank you.
जिंदगी की यही रीत है हार के बाद ही जीत है. जिंदगी की यही रीत है हार के बाद ही जीत है. आंसू है थोड़ी हंसी आज गम है तो कल है खुशी. जिंदगी की यही रीत है हार के बाद ही जीत है. आंसू है थोड़ी हंसी आज गम है तो जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत
Bye. Thank you.
Very nice.
क्या बात है, सभी
Very
परफॉर्मेंस
good.
इतने अच्छे हो रहे हैं कि लग रहा है 1 मिनट से ज्यादा देखे। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
Thank you.
Good job, both of you.
Devika ma'am. Oh, she got disconnected. Next is Shaurya. Shaurya, are you there? Shaurya is there? No.
कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है, कोई नहीं हो रहा।
Anyone who is left performing रह गई है, who is left with the performance? Anyone? All done? सबका हो गया?
Vandana ma'am, can anybody perform twice?
आपका मन कर रहा है तो कर लो। जरूर।
Joanne, she wanted to do a skating set also, right? So if she wants to do that, she can do that.
Yes, yes, she can.
In fact, like, no,
We are
if you
not prepared.
take a bit
Oh,
of preparation time, no, to put on the shoes and all those things, no, put in the gear.
All right, all right.
Ma'am, Rachin can also pitch in. He would like to play with his scooter if possible, or his frock car, whatever you all permit.
I think after that. Yes.
Anybody would like to sing? Byro. Saksham, do you want to sing? Oh, yeah. Anybody would like to sing? Okay. I think Shaurya has joined. Somebody has joined. Has Shaurya joined? Somebody just joined. Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All the best. You can start.
Start करो.
Hello, everyone. My name is Shoya Shrivastava. Today I will play Olympic and तुझे देखा.
Very good, Shaurya.
Very nice.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Amazing.
देविका मैम,
So, are you?
कोई फिर से परफॉर्म करना चाह रहा था जो भी अभी कर ले जल्दी से.
Joan, are you ready? Are you ready? Rodriguez family?
No, Vandana ma'am, I don't think Joanne is performing. She wasn't prepared. Or
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Next time.
Yeah, ma'am. Next
we'll
time.
wait for his.
Yeah.
We will wait. We'll wait for the next time. Rachit, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Rachin is ready. So this is Rachin and he is on his frog car. He loves this car a lot and he can play on it for hours together. So he goes with his father. He goes every evening. He's either playing the frog car or he's driving his cycle. Go. So yeah, that is Rachin. Rachin, turn. Go. Very good. Rachin, turn. Rachin, turn. Very good. Turn. Rachin, turn first. Just tell us when to stop.
Well done, Rachin. Well done.
Very good, Rachin. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone else who wants to perform?
Ma'am, I think we shall wrap it now if nobody is there.
Ma'am, we'd like to share something.
Yes.
In fact, it was a very good opportunity, just to showcase on this occasion, on Autism Awareness Month. So at least, kids could come across and do something. Secondly, we also wanted to share Joanne and perform skating because just want to share that both Joanne and Bryden are in the Guinness Book of World Record for skating. And also, they are deep sea swimmers. So just a bit of sharing we want to do, since a lot of us like-minded parents are on the platform. So we know there is a lot of hope that we need to share among each other, that there is a lot of capabilities what our kids have got. Only thing is that we need to identify what they are good at and not to compare, So with this thing in mind, also during this lockdown, what we tried to do as a Rodriguez family, we started a YouTube channel for the kids and for the full family, wherein we could show, like-minded parents that what our kids are really good at and what they can really do. If at all we have a lot of dedication kind of thing, consistency and dedication. So our kids can basically do wonders. So this is a bit of sharing that we as a family wanted to do from our end, ma'am.
And thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah, as a parent, I have been a great fan of your YouTube channel and I have been following you.
Yes.
Every year, and I think Dr. Sonali is also doing that. Yeah.
Yes. We are all following the Rodriguez family, and we love you all, and we love all our children. So before we all leave, this was a beautiful event. Lovely, lovely, lovely to see everyone. I request all of you to please share your complete postal addresses with Gaurangi ma'am. She's in the group. You can look for Gaurangi ma'am. Gaurangi ma'am, you can raise your hand, and everybody please share your postal addresses. आज जितने भी participants ने perform किया उनके लिए special prizes हम भेजेंगे by courier, and so please share your addresses not on the group but to Gaurangi ma'am. She'll compile all the addresses. I hope that's okay. It was a little hurried announcement, and I wanted to make it very flowery and powerful, but वो हमारे बच्चों ने already कर दिया सब कुछ. So don't forget to share your addresses, and don't leave the group for a week or so that we can send the certificates also.
Can we sing a song to wrap up the event?
Why not? Do we have to ask?
Saksham with balloon छोड़ो चलो. जोर से.
Rachin mom wanted to leave. Rachin mama, please go ahead.
She has left. Yeah. चलो. के दिन छोटे सही
हम भी बड़ी दीवार कल की हमें फुर्सत का सूची जो हम मतवाले जीवन इन छोटे रही हम भी बड़ी दीवार कल की हमें फुर्सत कहा सूची जो हम मतवाले दिन छूटे सहे
ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है
दिल तोड़ना जिस
न जाने इस जिंदगी
का शुक्रिया सही देयू बनवा जी जीवन की दिन हम भी
छोटे सही
हम बड़े.
Thank you. So this is the message for all the from all the kids कि हम तो बहुत मतवाले हैं. We don't care about कल. अभी हमें आज से ही फुर्सत नहीं है. We are so busy in today. So we are working to build up a beautiful tomorrow. So we don't care what we are free. We are free birds. Okay. So we'll keep working hard in today, and we'll make a beautiful tomorrow together. This is the message from all the kids to all the adults. आप भी ऐसे रहो. आज में काम करो. Build up beautiful tomorrow.
नीचे से दब क्या?
जब सबका परफॉर्मेंस हो रहा था तो I really wanted to whistle at that time. सबको तो I controlled myself. I really controlled myself. Sonali, behave yourself. I said, तो अभी एक whistle करके then we'll all leave. हाँ? चलो 1 2 3 go. No, I won't do that. So we'll do a nice whistle. ठीक है? 1 2 3 go. ठीक है? Yes.
Rohan has got a nice
Very
whistle.
good. Awesome. प्रणय खास करके तुम्हारे लिए काले चश्मे के साथ.
We have a dance party tomorrow. Come and join. I could see wonderful dancers in the group today. Okay.